Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the watch off and removing the band so nothing blocks the case. Next, secure yourself with an ESD strap and lay parts on a clean mat. This prevents static and loss. Use a small precision driver to remove visible screws, then use a suction cup and a thin plastic pick to lift the glass slightly. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid cracking. Once you see the bezels separate, pause and note each screw's position for reassembly. With the case open, identify and unplug the battery connector to eliminate electrical risk. Then locate the display flex cable and release any tiny clips. Use a spudger to lift connectors gently. Warm the adhesive edge around the glass with a heat gun on low for 30 to 60 seconds to soften glue. Avoid overheating internal components. Pry the display up evenly from one side while supporting the midframe, and remove any shielding or bracket pieces that attach to the old screen before installing the replacement. Place the replacement screen near the frame and reconnect the display flex and battery to run a quick functional test. This ensures touch and display work before final sealing. Once confirmed, remove power again, apply new adhesive strips or thin bead of appropriate glue, align the glass precisely, and press firmly for 60 to 90 seconds to seat it. Reinstall brackets and screws in the original sequence. Once reassembled, power up. Calibrate the touchscreen if needed and verify sensors. If the screen flickers, reseat connectors and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.